Say hi. Okay, we're going to work through this problem. We kind of started, we're on take 2, so we're just going to use this pad and try it again. So the first thing that we do is we ignore all the decimals. We pretend they're not there, so I'm covering up the number on the bottom that is holding the tens place right now, if we take the decimals out. So I'm going to do it with Grace here. We started already, and we first took, I'm working backwards here, 5 times 6, which Grace told me was 30. So we put our 0 down, and we carried our 3. We are now going to take 5 times 0, which is?
0.
And we're going to add our
3,
which gives us?
3.
Okay, I gotta write that quick. Okay, and our next step is what, Grace?
5 times 4.
5 times 4, which is?
20.
I'll write that down. I now am going to cross out anything that I had to carry over so we don't get confused. So I crossed out that 3, and I'm ready now to mark my place to hold my 1. So I'm going to remove my sticky. I'm going to cross out my 5, and I'm going to add my 0 to hold my place in the 1s. Okay, so now we're going to start again. So Grace, what's the first thing that we're going to do here?
3 times 6.
3 times 6, which is?
30.
Not 30. Try again.
Oh, 18.
Very good. Okay, so I'm going to put my 8 down here. I'm going to carry my 1. And now, Grace, I'm going to do?
3 times 0.
3 times 0, which is?
0.
And then I have to add my?
1.
Which is?
1.
Very good. And the last step that I'm going to do, Miss Grace, is?
4 times 3.
Which is?
12.
Excellent. Okay. Now I'm ready to add my 2 numbers together. So we've got 0 plus 0, which is?
0.
We've got 8 plus 3, which is?
11.
Going to carry my 1. We've got 1 plus 0, which is?
1.
Plus the 1 that we carried.
2.
2 plus 2, which is?
4.
And 1. Now the tricky part. Now we need to figure out where our decimal goes. Sorry, I'm trying to cover up me, not her. And the way that we do this is we underline all numbers behind the decimal. So if you look, we've got a 0, we've got a 6, and we've got a 5. So I'm going to go ahead and underline those. Which tells us that we are going to need 3 numbers after our decimal. So we start from the back of our number, which is 14,210 right now. And we go 1, 2, 3. I just underline them. And we place our decimal between the 4 and the 2. Hope that helps. Say bye to Dad.
Bye.
You want to tell me you love him or anything? Send him a kiss?
Sure.
All right. Bye-bye.